After about a week's delay, Google is finally rolling out the June 2023 security patch for Pixel devices, which brings a wealth of fixes alongside it. As usual, Google details every vulnerability its June 2023 patch aims to correct. The changelog for the new month is a little more extensive than the past couple of months. Google has implemented fixes for the camera on its range of Pixel devices, hopefully improving stability and performance. For audio, the company states fixes have rolled in for wired headphones occasionally receiving an echo or feedback. This fix was in response to several issues with older series devices, such as the Pixel 4a and 5a. Suppressed voices during voice-over internet provider calls in certain apps should have been fixed, and an issue preventing call audio transfer between your phone and a paired device should be rectified as well. Fixes for Pixel phones' batteries during charging and usage have come in too. Google also slipped in a fix for Google Pixel 7 series users, specifically whenever they attempt to use their front-facing selfie camera in certain apps or under certain conditions. For connectivity, the June 2023 patch includes fixes for Bluetooth stability and performance for certain Bluetooth devices. Pixel owners should find an improved Wi-Fi experience as Google's patch includes stability and performance fixes for that. The patch joins the June 2023 feature drop for Pixel devices, which brings a ton of Pixel exclusive goodies, such as improved personal safety features, emoji wallpapers, and more, such as various UI fixes, system, sensor, and framework corrections. Check for your update right now in your Settings app. Thank you.